Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Maple and Home. It's Amanda. Today I'm going to take you guys with me as I undecorate for spring and Easter in my home, and I pack away all of my decor into boxes. My hope is to at least get through the kitchen and dining room today, but if we have time, I'd love to get through the whole first floor, living, and entryway as well. I'm not going to be up here in the bedroom yet. We're probably going to do that a different day, but that's my plan for today. I do have a little bit of cleaning that I need to do in the dining room. I want to use the dining room table as kind of like a packing station. So it does need to be cleaned up from breakfast, and my son dropped a Pop-Tart earlier, so I'm going to have to sweep under the table as well. So we're going to do that first, and then we are going to get started on decorating. So I've put some boxes together. I've got the paper out here on the table. I'm going to use it kind of as a packing station, and we are going to start taking some things down. I have got most of the stuff down from the kitchen. There are still a few things that were a little too large to put in any of the boxes, so they're kind of still out of my chicken wire shelf and my shutters in the wall. The shutters, I still don't even know if I'm going to keep those. I may just donate them. Chicken wire shelf is definitely going to come with us, because even if I don't use it in a new kitchen, I will probably use it in a mudroom or a laundry room. So I think it'll look really cute in there. So I do really want to keep that. But the shutters, I've had them for a really long time. I kind of want to go into a new direction, but I think they would work really, really well for that prairie farmhouse look that I want to do. So, you know, we may end up keeping those as well. I may just bring them just to have them, and then if I feel like I don't want to use them, then I'll donate them when we get there into a new house. But I am going to go throughout the living room now and pack stuff away. I feel kind of very overwhelmed because I thought taking stuff down would make things cleaner. It has not. Everything is kind of more of a mess in this house than it was to start with. But, you know, as we start, it has to get worse before it gets better, right? That's what I'm telling myself. So I am going to get started, bring the paper over to the coffee table because that's going to be my living room packing station, and we are going to get started. Before I get started, I did want to note all of this stuff is stuff that I am going to donate. There's wreaths in there. There's like a lot of stuff that I didn't show you guys in my last video that went in there because I did finish going through all of the boxes. That's the trash can that I have been putting trash into. It doesn't want to focus. There we go. We have a couple boxes out here ready to have stuff put in them, but I do have a little bit of room in some of these boxes over here, and I'm going to try and fill these first. And also all this stuff over here is going to be in the box here, not this stuff that's going to come with, but and I haven't decided about the vase yet. Art and everything else over here, this will be donated, but it is kind of overflowing. Over there, they were pretty much full. I actually got quite a bit more into them, so that's really good. All of the spring stuff, specifically spring items for basically down here on the first floor, are all put away, and now I just have a few other items to put in. should have put those greenery branches in there. Oh well, I have plenty of other large boxes that I'm going to need to fill, so that'll just have to go in a different one. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I still have some things to put in boxes, but a lot of what I have kept out so far either isn't going to get put in a box, or it'll get put in a larger box, like I don't have enough larger boxes. I feel like I'm making progress. It's slow. This is pretty good for really only having been working on this packing for maybe like a week or two. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely be sure to give it a like down below. It helps my channel so much and sends this video out to anyone else who would enjoy this video or my channel, any of that. So I really do appreciate that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.